three criteria to select our development partner. The first was we wanted an end-to-end solution provider, so both engineering, product development support, as well as contract manufacturing. That helped us with speed to market and reduce risk. The second criteria is engineering experience specific to our industry, because we can capture all the experience that they have provided for other customers and learn from taking those products to market to improve our speed to market and our offering to our customers. And the third is leadership. It's an intangible that really plays a strong role when things aren't perfect, and the development process and bringing a product to market never is. Partnering with a firm that has strong leadership and sees our relationship as a partnership, not just a business transaction, was very, very important and key to our selection criteria. And that's why we went with Invetech.